Hooray! It's salted caramel ice cream day. Any excuse. Weigh 200 grams of soft dark brown sugar. Then add 50 grams of maple syrup, ,50 grams of unsalted butter, and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Cook for 15 minutes, aroma at speed 1. Now add 500 grams of double cream, ,100 grams of whole milk, and 2 teaspoons of sea salt flakes. Mix for 30 seconds at speed 5. Add 4 eggs, and beat for 20 seconds at speed 4. Then cook for 5 minutes at 80 degrees, speed 4. When finished, the mixture should coat the back of a spoon like this. Pour into a metal bowl, allow to cool, then place in the refrigerator, ideally overnight for the flavours to develop, but at least until well chilled. Enjoy!